Yeah, we are like shame because what they call it like do footwork every day. Yeah, and today another combo. Cross one and tap two. Are you ready? Remember, you see, we do no excuses. Yeah, are you ready? First, watch for yourself. Let's go. Cross one and tap two. Let's go. Let's do it together. Remember, no excuses. Switching the cameras. Yeah. Let's go. Let's do it together. We can start with the left or with the right. Doesn't matter. Let's start with the left. We open with the left. Open. Cross to the back. And cross. And out. Step. Tap. Step. Tap. Amazing. Now with the right. Open to the side, cross to the back, cross to the front, step, tap, step, tap. Amazing. Let's do another time. Let's go. Open, open, step to the back and cross, step, tap, step, tap. Open with the right. Open, step to the back and cross, step, tap, step, tap. Yeah. Now, with the count, let's go. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. Looking great. Let's do it one more time. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3. Yeah. 5, 6, 7, 8. Amazing. Amazing. You're still here? Even more amazing. Let's do another practice right now. Face to face. I want to see you. Yes, in this lovely morning. Yeah. Sunrise behind us in Cambodia. Let's go. Now face to face, practicing this amazing combo. Cross one and tap two. Are you ready? Let's go. Starting with the left. Let's go. Open to the side. Open. Step to the back and cross. Step. Tap. Step. Tap. With the right. Open. Step to the back and cross. Step. Tap. Step. Tap. With the count. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. Again. 1, 2, 3. You can go low. 5, 6, 7, 8. Open. 1, 2, 3. And go low. 5, 6, 7, 8. Again. 1, 2, 3. Low. 5, 6, 7, 8. And move the shoulders. 1, 2, 3. And go low. 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, that's the moves of this. These were some few tips about changing the height. Yeah. And adding some shoulders. But if you're the serious student and you want to practice with me these moves, cross one and tap two. Yes, and today we practice a very simple combination of these two moves. If you're the serious student and you want to practice with me, full tutorial for free, forever for free. Check the links above, below, to the side. And if you're Instagram, check the link in my bio to the YouTube channel and search for these moves. Cross one and tap two. Amazing or not amazing? Full tutorial for you for free, forever for free. And remember, these moves are universal, meaning you can do that in any kind of dance that you want. Salsa, hip hop, bachata, kizomba, zumba, rumba, zumba, samba, samba. Did I miss anything? Maybe I did, but who cares? You can rewind the video, practice with me again, and do it in whatever kind of dance that you want. By the way, salsa on 1 and on 2, you can still do these moves. Why? Because they are symmetrical. They look the same from the left and from the right. Yeah. So, either way, do these moves today. Use this video, rewind it, practice today. But why today? Because tomorrow you have a new footwork, of course. New footwork every day. Focus body coding line. Yeah, no matter where we are. This is Cambodia, by the way. Siam Reap. No matter where we are, no excuses. So tomorrow, new footwork as every day. So I guess I see you tomorrow. Have a good day.